Okay, today I want to show you how to make your value bars quickly and easily. You can use a ruler, which is perfect, and you're basically going to be tracing the ruler like this. You're going to want to do that for this assignment. You're going to want to do that 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then you want to estimate the middle of your bars, and you're going to work out from the center by just making lines down all 4 of the bars on either side of your ruler. And then you're going to want 3 more squares on each side of the middle one, on both sides. So 1, 2, and 3. This is my 3rd one. And then do the same thing on this side. So 1, 2, and 3. Now notice I have 2 extra on either side, or space for 2 extra, but I'm just going to erase those. I don't need those. Okay. All right. Now you want to go to the second bar. This is your middle right here. And then in the second bar, you want to do circles inside each one. Make sure they're all about the same size. Okay, just like that. And that's how you start out your 4 scales, value scales for this project.